Morning, y'all. D.lux here, Sunday morning. So, y'all know I be on Facebook Marketplace all night. That's like my addiction right now. So, last night I found a lot of stuff I need on my checklist for my bus. So, I put in all my offers 2 and 3 in the morning. And you know, that's the first thing people see when they get up. So, right now, my inbox was full of offers, either denied or accepted offers. So, I'm out here early morning right now, finna go pick up my shit. So, I found a countertop for free. He said he just put it out by the curb, come get it for somebody mess it up. So I'm going to get me a countertop. That's one for my kitchen. I found me a hot water heater, a 4-gallon instant hot water heater. So it's real small, goes right up under your sink. Instant hot water for the shower. $60. If y'all Google that shit, that's like $300. $60. He said he used twice. Didn't need it. So I'm going to pick that up. So that'll take care of the kitchen. So now I have to find like a little small sink, and I want one of those faucets with the little sprayer things, so I might have to buy that new, but that's okay. I go to Habitat Humanity. I'll buy it from Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's, one of them. It's no big deal, because I'm getting all this other stuff for next to nothing or free. So I'm en route to go get this this water heater and this countertop. And then I'm going to find me a vanity or something today. Some kind of drawer system for the kitchen. And we'll see where that goes. So stay tuned. D.lux. Okay, y'all. I just picked up my water heater. I'm in a good part of Kentucky. Y'all, it's beautiful over here. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. You know, I don't like the other part of Kentucky. But this part of Kentucky I'm in right now, it's beautiful. So I just picked it up. He was a nice guy, had a beautiful house. He opened the door, I walked right in. I was shocked. I was appalled. But no, I got this water heater, man. So I'm on a mission now. I'm going to get these countertops. So stay tuned. As you see, I got my countertop right there. It's going perfect for my decor. I see it, and I got my water heater right there. Bosch water heater. So got the on and off valve on the side. Bosch countertop. So we going in, y'all. Back to the shop. So we in the country, y'all. Just got finished dropping the wifey off at work on the casino. So you see how far in the country I am. This is rural Indiana, y'all. This is where I dwell. Peace and quiet. Away from the haters. But we headed back to the shop so I can get to work, finish up these cars. Got some pickups this week. And I can get back online and find some more stuff on my bus. So let's get back to it. D.lux, we back here again. Still driving. Got to the shop. And my notification bell went off. Bing, 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 bing. So I got a vanity or a cabinet, storage cabinet, vanity, kitchen cabinet. I don't know, but I know what it's going to be used for. Just notified me on my phone. So it's in Indiana. It's by me. So I'm back on the road again to go pick this up for next to nothing. So stay tuned and see what I get, y'all. I'm on a mission. Damn, I'm cheap as y'all. We're leaving out Floyd Knobs, Indiana. As y'all can see, the houses are beautiful out here. We're in the country, y'all. This is country living, y'all, at its finest. So, you know, they got the good stuff. And they sell it for cheap, 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 cheap. I don't even think I'm at $200 yet, y'all. So, we're going to see. Now I got to find my way out. So let me get back on this navigation before I get lost. Back at the bus. Y'all see what's going on. I don't got no help today. So I'm about to gut it. So it ain't that hard. Got my bag of tools right there and I'm about to get it in. I have it gutted in 20 minutes because I sprayed them with WD-40 last night. So I'm on it, y'all. Watch me work. D.lux style. One thing about stripping stuff down, you find stuff that you can repurpose, like all these seat belts. Same seat belts they put in cars, but they send you in little kits. So they like charcoal and black. Best believe them people who won't be having no seat belts in their car will be repurposing them seat belts. And you have all these seat belts right there. I will be using those in cars. So let me get back to it. Ta-da! It's all open except for that big ass rack. And I ain't taking that out yet by myself because that bitch fell on me. And I be like, I'm falling, I can't get up. This big ass thing fall on me, I'm dead. The big Mike ain't here with the transmission hands to lift it up. So I'm gonna leave that there for right now. But it's open. And I seem to find a soft spot right here, y'all. Right here, all the way to about, ooh, look. Right here, look, show y'all, look. See it moving? That's a soft spot. That's the wood under there. That wood under there is rock. So from here, all the way back, I'm gonna replace this wood, the whole piece. I'm gonna cut it out, put a whole new slab in there, seal it up, put the whole new side on there, and just seal it up. Because I guess it must have been an accident right here. You can see fiberglass crack, so I'll fix that too. And then I see we have this mounting, that all the seats was mounted to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave that up. I'm gonna take the seat belts off, but I'm gonna leave that up, and that's gonna be my mounting support for my cabinets or wherever else I'm gonna mount. Because it still has the bolt, the sliding washers. I can slide them around anywhere I want. So I can screw into that, and that'll be where I'll be able to tighten the cabinets and everything to the wall. So next stop, I'm gonna peel that back, and I'm gonna take that wood out, put a new piece of wood in there probably tomorrow or whenever, sometime. Not tomorrow, I'm working. But sometime I'll put that on my list, and I'm gonna fix that, flip it back down. I'm actually gonna use this floor right here as a vapor barrier because it'll be already another protection. And then I'm gonna put another vapor barrier on top, a pad on top of that, and then I'm gonna put my floor down on top of that. So I have extra because I'm not taking this whole floor up. I'm not doing it. It don't make no sense. We're doing this on a budget, but it's gonna be done right. That's the only soft spot in the whole thing. So yeah, this is all wood back here. So everything is good. So that's all today. Coming live and direct from D.lux. We out of here. I holla.